most popular call I get from my customers is how to properly adjust the sling. Take a look at the main buckle. The corporate name is molded right here. You have a small stopper right behind that. Pinch that with your index finger over the top. The inside strap, you move this straight up vertically. This is the secret to releasing this. Your inclination is to pull at an angle, and that locks the sling down. It won't move. But if you keep it vertically, it'll release instantly. Take out the slack, level it off. This will adjust out. That's a loop lock. You just simply take out that little gap, just like so. And your sling is longer and shorter. I can lengthen it out to almost 6 feet. I can carry it front and ready, just an inch or two if you're a bigger guy. That's all that's required. What you need to keep in mind is you need to pinch the outer strap because they ride together and take it vertically, not angled, but straight up. That releases the sling and out it goes. That's simple.